then explain two processes that are separate. You create the political killings task team for a particular objective. You assess it in 6 months. You then sign to extend it up to 2022. And you don't do it after 2022. But all you do, you approve funding for that. And from where I sit, you don't meet the prescripts of the PFMA. And therefore, if you're called by SCOP, if I'm called by SCOP to say, how do you justify what you were funding beyond 2022, we will not have an answer. Because what the motivations that you were getting, they were motivations for money. They were not motivations based on proper assessment for the need to, because if you did the need for further existence, you would have found that the structure has since been reviewed in the form of specialized units, which was not there when the task team was established in 2018. That's my argument.